Meaning of inebriated.
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 Inebriated. The term inebriated refers to a state of intoxication or drunkenness caused by the consumption of alcohol or other substances. It typically involves impaired motor skills, slurred speech, altered perceptions, and poor decision-making abilities. This condition can lead to various negative consequences, including accidents, injuries, and legal issues. It can also affect an individual's relationships, work performance, and overall health. Inebriation may be a temporary escape from reality, but it can also be a dangerous and addictive habit that requires professional help to overcome.